Welcome to our Unit 9 recap, the 9th video on the Unit 12 playlist of our Chemistry Matters series. Unit 9 investigated kinetics and gases, and in our Unit 9 toolkit, you can find a document listing all of the Georgia science standards addressed in this unit. Kinetics is the study of factors that affect the rate of chemical reactions. Kinetics is based on collision theory, the idea that molecules must collide with each other in order to react, and that some collisions are effective while others are ineffective. A good way to study kinetics is to create a reaction energy diagram, like this one. With this diagram, we can explore factors that affect the speed of chemical reactions. Our students did this during an experiment with Alka-Seltzer tablets and film canisters. We found that reactions can speed up if we add energy, increase the reactant concentration, or increase surface area. We also identified substances that act as catalysts to lower the activation energy needed to start a reaction. Energy diagrams like this allow us to see that the catalyst lowers activation energy, causing reactions to occur with very little starting energy. It was also in Unit 9 that our students explored the unique properties of gases by examining 5 components of kinetic molecular theory in a gas. 1. Gases are made of particles that are very small and far apart. 2. Gas particles are in constant, random motion. 3. Gas pressure is caused by collisions between gas particles and container walls. 4. There are no forces of attraction or repulsion between gas particles. And 5. The average kinetic energy of gas particles is proportional to the temperature in Kelvin. Additionally, in Unit 9, we were able to study the ideal gas law and its practical application. Using a vacuum pump, our students explored what happens to the volume of gases when pressure is reduced or increased. When pressure goes down, for example, the volume of a gas increases, as we saw in the vacuum pump. Once our students understood the importance of the ideal gas law, we executed an engineering design challenge in which our students created and tested their own airbags using acetic acid, baking soda, and plastic bags. Finally, we invited Lee Merriweather, a senior water quality technician at the Georgia Aquarium, to offer insight on the practical application of kinetics and gases as we explored them in this unit. And I hope you'll join us for the next video on the Unit 12 playlist, our recap of Unit 10, Chemical Equilibrium.